this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this drop from scratch. Basically, I looked at the comments from the last video and this dude said, and I was like, all right. So I grabbed this fucking kick right here called 341. I laid a 4 on the floor beat. Put this here and put that there. But that's like way too much, so shortened them up. You know what I'm saying? So I got this 808 from the pack, faded it out, and then I wrote this MIDI for it. Basically just following the kicks. Fuck this bug. Now I am processing this sub a little bit by simply boosting the low frequencies with this EQ. Because without it, then I grabbed the clap, and this one's called kicks. Went to declicking mode, put bleeding, and shortened up the sample so that we have a really short tail. And after that, I was like, all right, let's get a little bass shot. And I went with Forced. And then I remembered I made a fucking flute sound in this video right here. I just wrote this fucking melody. You hear it going up in pitch? Well, that's because I created an automation clip for this parameter right here, and that's bending the pitch up, and I have that going on basically that many times. And that is going through some effects. So I opened up Patcher, loaded my rack, because without it, wow, there's a flying fucking ant on my screen. And then I added this white noise for energy. So I decided to chop up this vocal from the pack, back the fuck up, so that it kind of like, back the fuck up. It has that groove. That's literally it. That's right. This project will be available for my patrons. We made this entire thing exclusively with my sample pack, high energy, available at the collective. Don't forget to leave a like, more ideas in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next shit. Peace.